How to convert Facebook video to MP4. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Videos. You can watch Facebook Reels over here. If you want to save any video from here, then tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Copy Link. Now, go back and open up Safari. Search for Save From It and open the page. Once you're here, paste the link you just copied. Then, tap on the arrow button beside it. Now, select the video quality that you want. For example, Mp4. Tap on Download beside it. The video has now successfully been downloaded to your device. Following these steps, you can easily convert Facebook video to Mp4.